Alright guys, so as you know, yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and normally on a Sunday I upload upcoming sneakers, the weekly episode where we talk about, well, upcoming sneakers, and of course sneaker news. However, I didn't upload yesterday, and I'm gonna give you a extra special video today, an extra special episode, and this is part of the reason why I didn't upload yesterday. We've had some technical difficulties, but we're here now, and we're here to do this video, and when I say we, it's because we have a very special guest joining us today. He is a TikTok creator doing some really cool things over there, and he is my brother. So why don't you jump in, Dylan?
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video, another review. Oh, it's good to be here. Finally, I mean, if you didn't even tell the difference, I have entered the chat. It's not just two Elliot pages.
So TikTok creator is quite broad. So tell us, narrow that down for us. Tell us exactly what you do on TikTok. You dancing on there, pointing at different text boxes?
I do more like interesting facts. I do, let's say a summary on scientific research, mostly just the crazy stuff. And sometimes I dabble in the Great Penis Olympics, which is my latest, triage of videos.
I did see that one.
I
did see that one.
2 days of posting it, it's now at a cumulative 10 mil, 12 mil, something like that. And it's gained me
Whoa. I didn't bring you here to, to show off your statistics and your views, all right? So, anybody who does want to go and check out Dylan's, not only TikTok, but he does cool stuff on Instagram Reels as well. What's your handle?
dylanpage.ning, N-I-N-G, but in South Africa we pronounce it Ning.
So yeah, I thought he could bring in some really cool perspective, not being in the sneakerhead community as such, but kind of giving, I guess, a little bit of a different take to what we're used to over here. So of course we're still going to run through some of the, the upcoming sneakers, but we're going to change it up from the usual segments that I do over here on a Sunday, and we're going to ask you whether you think things are underrated or overrated, because obviously you're not so captured by the hype, and you kind of just say it how it is, right? So over in the US, it is Yeezy Day, and we're not getting Yeezy Day until tomorrow over here in the UK. For anybody who doesn't know, Dylan is out in Australia, and I'm stuck here in the UK for the time being. So I don't believe you guys are getting Yeezy Day out in Australia. It's just EU and China on the 3rd, which is tomorrow.
Technically, what happened is that we were planned to have Yeezy Day, right? Because Yeezy was like, look, Australia, we love Australia. They buy loads of Yeezys, great customer. Then just after, I think it was last Friday, he didn't drop Donda, and Scott Morrison, the Prime Minister, obviously just said, look, this is the last time we can deal with you, Kanye. This is the last time I'm having these broken promises. We are not having Yeezy Day. We are not celebrating someone who's broken so many promises to our nation and our citizens. So we've actually technically speaking, boycott Yeezy Day. I would say that we're probably going to get Yandi before we get Donda, and we both know we're never getting Yandi.
So yeah, if Scott Morrison didn't boycott Yeezy Day, and let's say it was out in Australia, we've got 24 shoes apparently going to be releasing. I'm on Influence Vision's Instagram page, and he has posted the potential drop list. Whether this is 100% accurate, whether there's some surprises thrown in there, we're not 100% sure. But take a look at this list of different shoes. I mean, we got the Bread Yeezy 350s, Zebras, the glow-in-the-dark Yeezy 350s. So take a good look at that and tell me, what is the number one shoe you're after?
Personally, I really want to get my hands on a pair of foam runners. Really want to. Yeah, I mean, it's hot out in here in Australia, and sometimes you just want to go to the gym or the shop, or, even to a black tie event, rocking some Yeezy foam runners. You don't want to have to put on shoes or flip-flops or whatever else. You just put on some socks, and chuck on some foam runners. And I don't have any of them yet because they're super hard to get for retail.
They would be perfect out in Australia, wouldn't they? The foam runners.
So perfect. And it's coming up to summer out here too. So, I mean, that's my top priority. And then I think the wave runners Wave Runners
Wave
would be my
Runners.
second.
Let me know if you guys are watching this after Yeezy Day, especially you guys out in the US. Let me know what you managed to get. And then obviously anybody who's watching this and it's upcoming tomorrow in the EU, don't forget it is 6 a.m. BST. That's when kind of the first release happens, I believe, or at least when the countdown timer that's up on the confirmed app and the Yeezy splash page, that's when that timer runs out. 6 a.m. we got to wake up for this Yeezy Day, which is a bit crazy, but nevertheless, I'm fine with getting up early.
Oh, no, I hear that you sleep till at least 11 o'clock every morning. My sources have it.
Alright, so that's enough about Yeezy Day. Let's move on to a little quick fire round of asking Dylan what he thinks about some upcoming sneakers, right? So Dylan, I want to know whether you think these are underrated or overrated, or just generally, you know, cop or drop, whatever you'd like to call it. Let's start off with this one. You have to be quick with your replies because we're doing a fire round. First impression, the first thing that comes to mind. First one, the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Fragment High.
Nice shoe. I like it a lot. I wouldn't say live up to the hype. The hype I would say is what, 2,000 something or other now pounds on the resale. Would I pay that much? Absolutely not. But it is a nice shoe, I can't lie.
How about the lows?
Yeah, I would take the highs over them, but I also know that these are very hyped. So I'm gonna say properly rated.
Well, how about, can I tempt you with the Yeezy Foam Runner in the ochre colorway?
Ah, yes, please. I mean, you've showed me these before, and this, like, the picture that we're seeing now, the color really doesn't do it justice. Because I initially said, no, not for me, don't like it. It looks like something strange, unmentionable. And then you showed me an actual, like, on foot. And the color is more of like a dark caramel than this, like, orangey, yellowy look that we're seeing now. And I would go as far as saying these are my favorite color. This is the favorite colorway that I have for the foam runner. So yeah,
out of all of them,
I will be trying. Out of all of them, M8.
Wow. All right. How about the undefeated Nike Air Force One, which is coming on August the 6th?
I don't have a pair of Air Forces, and if I were to be, breaking the old Air Force virginity, these are probably a shoe that I would, allow to do it. They are very nice.
They look very nice. I like these a lot. I don't know whether they'll drop in the EU, but apparently August the 6th would be the time when these rock up on shelves. How about the Amar Meniere Air Jordan 1 High? This is going to be a pretty premium pair of Jordan 1s. What do you think?
I think that the colorways go very, very well together. Like that dark maroon, purpley with the white, and then the sole having just that little bit of tinge of like off-white, but it has a little bit of like a pinky feel to it. Really good. Yeah, so the colorways work really, really well with it. As for a sneaker for me, I would have to politely decline. This
apparently is going to be coming fall holiday time here in 2021. And Ning, we've got one more left, the Yeezy 700 V2 Mauve.
Love the 700s. 700s are great shoe. Not the biggest fan on the color.
You don't like this colorway?
Colorway is kind of letting me down. Nah, I mean, it's all right. You see in the actual, there you go. When you see the pictures that are not just the renders, they immediately are like, oh, that's nicer. But still, probably not something that I would go for a different colorway.
Well, Ning, that is about all I have for you today. That's all we got. Just a nice little quick one. Me and young Ning on a video together. Now listen, guys, if you want to see Dylan come back for future videos, we can do kind of this style, but we've got a lot more in the pipeline if this is something you guys want to see. So definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought of today's video. Of course, Yeezy Day is coming through. Time to get excited, EU, because obviously we have ours tomorrow. Dylan, thank you so much for coming through. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much for having me. I'm sure I'll be back very soon.
This is the first one. We're gonna iron out all of the creases with this whole process. Make it a little bit different each time, doing different kind of things. Maybe we'll do some reactions to different types of content. It really depends what you guys want to see. So let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to go and check Dylan out. Where are you at, brother?
Dylan Page.
Give us that handle one more time.
dylanpage.ning. N-I-N-G. That's all you got to remember. It's just Elliot Page, but dylanpage.ning.
All right, man.
Toot.
Thank you guys so much for coming through. Appreciate you. Appreciate you for hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
But until then.
But until then.